Today we're using a Hypnotic Purple Seduction by Sexy Smooth Wax, and this to me is like a hybrid wax. It gives me gel and film all in one, which we love. So as you can see here, I'm making sure I'm applying lots of pressure. That is the key to making sure you get really good strip removals. If you are not applying pressure, then what are you doing? Okay? Dry time is amazing. We're always thriving for a wax that has a 10-second or less dry time. This strip, actually, I don't even think I left it on for like 6 seconds, so that's even better. Make sure when you pull, guys, you use that force to remove that strip. Do you see that? Gorgeous. And look, you can even see the hairs, even though the wax strip is purple. Now, the wax itself is 50% off on sale. So I think that's like $12.50. And then on top of that, yes, baby, there's more. You get 20% off using code Waxing Queen. That's 70% off in total. Now, I don't know how much they have in stock. I don't know. I just know I got my bulk of it already and I'm taken care of, but I want to make sure y'all get put on game. So make sure you go to sexysmoothwax.com, place your order. Okay, look at that stagger dagger. Yeah, baby. Picked up all the little breadcrumbs and then follow up with that pretty kitty and body oil. Click the link in the bio to grab yours. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share.